Boom shakalaka, crypto news, fun on the ride. You wanna know everything about the markets, the stock markets, and also the crypto markets? Then smash that like button. Crypto news, fun on the ride, crypto a tope. Today we are so happy in the show. Why? Because we have this chart, and it means that we just broke the line that we wanted to break in the past. For so many times we tried to do it, but we didn't, and finally we have done it. So that's so happy to know. That was close to $20,000 the moment of the break. So right now we hope that we find support in the line and start going up like crazy. But first, before going into the technical analysis, remember that we are now promoting Audible. So if you want to do like myself and listen to a lot of books, you can do that for free during 90 days, and you are helping the channel just by singing up. So do that. Thank you very much. And then go to this video. I leave you the link in the description where you will learn how to pay less once the 90 days trial is over, because I have a lot of tricks there. Those are the books I'm reading right now, and you can see that I'm about to start reading Proof of Stake, the book of Vitalik Buterin. So listen to it, link in the description, and we will comment it in the show. But today we are so happy. We have to talk about Bitcoin price and predictions. Alex Kruger is talking about the same line, and also Pladisu. We all were just waiting to this line to be broken. The bears are crazy. They don't know what to do. Are we going up? Are we going down? Are we going to last beyond $20,000 or not? Or we are just, like Carlos Tetina told us, holding there with just one arm, but the rest of our body is going down. What do you think? Leave your comments below. And again, let's celebrate the break of this line. And remember that it's been almost a year from the past all-time high for Bitcoin, November the 10th. It's just 35 days to that November 10th again. And it would be so poetic that we just find bottom in the very same day, but just one exact year after that. We'll see about that. This is the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin. We are in the top line of the channel, but let's see if we are not gonna go down to find the support again. Remember, mostly all of this has to do with the behavior of the dollar. It went down, that was good, but now it's going up. What do you think? This is the correlation between Bitcoin and the dollar. And Stock Money Lizards just told us that it might be a good sign, the situation for the dollar right now, because maybe it's in this line of resistance that it has all-time highs in the past. And you can see that all the times that we touched this line, Bitcoin price went up. And also when the dollar finds resistance in the horizontal line, like here and also here, well, price of Bitcoin just went up like crazy and up like crazy. So maybe we are about to experience another bull run. Maybe that's why Kiyosaki, the author or Poor Dad Rich Dad, believes. He believes that dollar crash puts Bitcoin into big opportunity zone. If the Fed continues raising interest rates, US dollar will get stronger, causing gold, silver, and Bitcoin prices to go lower. That's a good moment for buying. Then after that, maybe in January 2023, when the Fed pivots and drops interest rates as England just did, you will smile while others cry. That will be so good. We'll see about that. This is the book, and you will find it in our website, funontheright.com. Books recommended. Those are the ones that I myself have read and I recommend. And also we have some videos summing up those books. So if you want to watch the one about Rich Dad Poor Dad, you have it in the links in the description. This is the dollar chart, just giving back all of its gains from past week. And maybe the economy is just like this. Jose Luis told us, maybe it's just this sad tree, almost dead, but the Fed is trying to paint it with green. Maybe so, maybe the dollar finally is the greatest Ponzi scheme of all. They are yelling at us, you are a Ponzi scheme. And what about you? You are printing like crazy. For how long can this situation last? We'll see. Gold is going up, stock market is going up, Bitcoin is going up, and also you can see all those correlations are in a level that is the more correlated level in 1 year. Gold and Bitcoin used to be not correlated, but now you can see this correlation is coming so close. And what do we have to pay attention to in the next days, weeks, months? Well, Lark Davis told us that the next CPI data is going to be released on the 13th for United States, and also the next Fed meeting is on November the 2nd. So very important days to take under consideration. We'll see, this is the monthly chart for Bitcoin. Remember our expectation of a green candle there, and we might also have an engulfing candle. What does that mean? That means a candle that is bigger and it's the previous one, and it happened here, here, and here, and we went up, up, and up. So maybe we have a change in the trend again. We'll see about that. We've been consolidating for 4 months. Red Capital told us that doesn't mean that we are to be 9 months consolidating as we were in 2015. We perfectly could just go lower from that and then consolidate in a lower range. That's what he believes. I just went to TradingView, link in the description if you want to do all those charts, and you can compare 2015 situation where the situation we are right now. So you can see there 9 months, and then we started going up. Maybe we have now 9 months, or maybe we will have them but lower with this yellow line that I draw there randomly with the past lows. Some people that want this just to happen right now. I don't care if we're gonna go to 9,600, but do it today. And after that, let's go up. Can we expedite this, please? People asking that. Remember past videos, we talk about the Standard & Poor's and the 9 months we were going down in the past. We are now 3 months, 3 times in a row. So maybe we need another 3 of those candles. Remember the kiss of the death sign was that video. With that sign in consideration, we will perfectly go down in the future. And also, if we consider RSE, remember, we were comparing this period with the other white square. We talk about the 30 in the oversold, but we're going up. Yes, but we're almost really close of touching this 54 point where we will find resistance with the all-time highs in the past. So it would be a crucial, really interesting moment to see if we go up or we go down. Stock money lizards, again, they believe that we're going to go up because we have the same situation as we had in 2019, where we dropped 50%, we have now 40%, and then we have a lowest low, then a higher low, and then we started going up. It's gonna happen this. Nobody knows, myself, I'm not expert, this is not financial advice, I have no clue. But Red Capital is talking about the halving again in those cycles. In 2015, we bottomed 547 days before the halving. In 2018, we bottomed 17 days before the halving. So if we are about to do the same, we need to find bottom in this final quarter of the year. So we'll see. Remember, we have a lot of predictions in that video. You have to watch them all. And did you know that 13 years ago we were able to buy Bitcoin? If you spend $1 in Bitcoin, you would have had 1,300 Bitcoin. Oh man. And also, if you want to be bullish, just think about technology. Remember that this is the evolution of accounting technology, and Bitcoin is the first upgrade to the financial system in over 1,000 years. We have here the single entry way 2000 before Jesus Christ. Then we have the double entry system, and then finally in 2008 the triple entry we have with Bitcoin. coin. A lot of people know already this is a huge opportunity, as these people from Kenya, they have some electricity leftovers, and they are using it for mining Bitcoin. So smart and so good to know that we have the lowest exchange Bitcoin supply in the past 4 years. So that means that people doesn't have intention of selling Bitcoin. This is the chart, really low in this intention of selling. Michael Saylor, he's an advisor of Bitcoin, and now he's giving away Satoshis, 3 million Satoshis. Why is that? Remember to be careful with the scammers, because this might be a scam, and every time we hear this is a scam. But right now some important media are talking about this. Also allegedly Michael Saylor Twitter account is talking about this, so maybe it's true. The idea is to send him some memes about Lightning Network, and he will draw it to 3 of them. And that's because somebody asked him if he had used Lightning Network more than 3 times in his lifetime. He said yes, and he started this meme contest. So you can see there Peter Schiff, the believer in gold, being hit by asteroid, and many other memes. So try, maybe you can win some of those Satoshis just sending a meme to his account. Also, we have this Friday new documentary based in Coinbase history. They pretend to be as Apple and Google already, and they are doing a documentary about themselves. Maybe this is bullish, maybe not. We will watch it on Friday and share our opinion with you. So come to Find on the Right Crypto News, and we'll talk about that. The market is in fear, not extreme fear anymore. We're in the 26 right now, and we are more scared about the traditional markets. And that's because US national debt surpassed $31 trillion for the first time ever. Also in Holland, large Dutch bank respond to customer upset that she's not allowed to access more of her cash. Is 5,000 euros a week not enough for you? And that's not the point. The point is that I should be able to do with my money whatever I want, and you are not in charge of telling me if I can spend it or not. Or maybe in the future they will be. So save yourself with Bitcoin, etc. Also remember that Europe is taking a step toward crypto regulation as MiCA passes. And we are so scared about this. We have a regulation framework. They're talking about identities. They're talking about stable coins, because they are so scared with what happened past summer in the Terra ecosystem, and also with IDs. But they are breaking Europe, as some memes said, and also they don't understand the situation. Some people believe those are the government regulations on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not inside it. And also you're trying, due to money laundering, due to terrorism, being financed, but that's the situation with the crypto space. So it's very difficult to use a door and have everything under control, as they want to control us in China. This is an airport, and now concerning COVID, they have heavy weapons in order to kill everybody if necessary. That's what these people are asking. So crazy situation, dystopic future. This just looks like the Squid Calamar show. We are so scared also with some things in the crypto space. This is a reported interconnections of 3 Arrows Capital in 2022. So you can see this summer fiasco in all the companies that were lenders or borrow money from 3 Arrow Capital. So everything is affected. Also about 3 Arrows Capital, we have some NFTs collections that are going to be liquidated due to the bankruptcy proceedings they are having. About Celsius, they just told us that 20 October can be the date for the auction of assets. I hope you have your money back with this. And more fiascos do you know that now is responding that it's a falsehood, those reports that South Korea is freezing his $40 million in crypto. Allegedly, he has some money in some centralized exchanges, and those are freeze right now. He's saying that they are not. So who knows if it's true or not. Dogecoin pumping like crazy. What's that? That's called Elon Musk, our favorite troll, is again talking about buying Twitter. But he told us he wouldn't, and now he's telling us that he might. So he's playing with our heart. Elon Musk, you deserve this because of all this uncertainty you are giving us, and price of the stock going up and down, and Dogecoin going up and down due to your comments on Twitter. Right now, what's the rumor saying? That he might want Twitter in order to create a way of paying without the bank system, without the debt that is all the system corrupted with. So he believes that buying Twitter would be an accelerant to creating X, the everything app that would be 3 to 5 years faster than if he doesn't buy it, to create that app that allegedly would be for everything. And a lot of people, as I'm telling you, believe that this is for use Twitter as a way of paying. Also, Jack Myers is telling Elon Musk that this is a huge opportunity in doing so.
What's to stop me from Twitter users checking out at Starbucks? What's to stop me from users remitting money through Twitter? He has an opportunity to build payment experiences, which traditionally Twitter can't, because they cannot get into the business of debt.
Yeah, because all the system is just based on debt. Also, Jack Mayer, so good, he said to CNBC, Bitcoin is the only asset that guarantees you a future, an insurance rate, a monetary policy. I trust Bitcoin because I do not have to trust anybody. We don't trust no one, and we don't need to because we have Bitcoin. Also, Elon Musk, Bitcoin Magazine, is telling you you could have bought 2.1 million Bitcoin instead of Twitter. Maybe that would have been more interesting. And you know that Telegram also has a wallet bot that lets users exchange crypto with each other. Well, just try it if you want. The market is in the green, the bubbles are in the green, and with the most important ones, Celsius and Terra, those are going down. Also, IOTA, we don't like that. And up we have the Cosmos ecosystem and ENS, which is so good. Remember, you have to claim your SMR tokens from IOTA. We have the tutorial in Spanish and in English too, and the price is going up as crazy. Good for SMR, good for Ethereum, that is also going up. We'll see if we can break the 1,400 resistance point. Ethereum that is outperforming most of major assets in Q3. We talk about Google, Netflix, Meta, Amazon, gold, bonds, you name it. Fidelity just buying 5 million worth of Ethereum. And also we can tell you that Ethereum number of addresses holding 1+ Ethereum just hit an all-time high. Adoption for Ethereum and Ethereum proof of work, that the price is going lower and lower. Akala, good news for this parachain from Polkadot, just restoring full operations after users error minted 3 billion AUSDs. $28 billion in the DeFi ecosystem, but volumes of NFT are falling to a yearly low. That's not good. But in the bright side, we have Hugo Boss is going all into the crypto space right now with NFTs collections. And what about these awesome, talented people just made in a GTA in real life? We will be able to do that with over the reality in the future for sure. We are gonna need cops there in order to have our cars with safety in the AR ecosystem. And if you are talented as these guys, you might want to participate into the OverR Awards. Again, they have this contest, so go there and join them. You might perfectly present your project about Halloween, and if you have your place, your home ready for Halloween in real life, well, you can also buy an hexagon and then create your Halloween experience there for your cell phone, your smart glasses. Also, I'm gonna tell you about my friend Aldo Narejos. It's his birthday today, and this is related to Carpe Diem, to enjoy life, and you buying a personalized song. It doesn't matter if you want it in English, link it in the description. If you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, if somebody you know it's his birthday or whatever, you can buy a personalized song telling him, her that you love him. And this is Carpe Diem. We have to enjoy life, but it's related with Memento Mori. That means in Latin that we are all gonna die. On this day in 2011, Steve Jobs died at age 56. So sad. And we have to enjoy life, and we have to learn a lot. That's why I leave you there the link to Audible. It's free, and you help the channel for 90 days. Thank you very much. And surrender yourself. Be surrounded by people that encourage you and not that make you drown. Because if you have some friends, as we have here in Fun on the Ride, then we can make really great things happen. Here, this kid, this child that can't make it, but finally she finds someone that tells her that she is able to do impossible things if she focuses. You can do it. You are a rider. You believe in Bitcoin. You believe in Satoshi. If you do believe, then you're gonna make it. So focus yourself, picture your goal, and just do it. Jump now. What? Yes, I did it, and we did it too, and we are so happy. But this cat didn't make it. Not everybody's gonna make it. Yes, I'm going to my mansion. I'm gonna jump. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh my. What about this huge dog? This is a bear? This is a dog? I can't believe it. And what about this one? He's pretending. A lot of drama there that the leg is broken. Come on. You're just cheating. And what about these two cats? They are friends and they just need a balloon in order to be happy. So go, as we used to do in the past, to the street and play with your friends. Even if you don't have a ball or a balloon, you can just fight with your friends, having some fun. What are you doing? I'm not sure. Me neither. This is so funny. Yes, it is indeed. Or maybe you just need a hug. You need oxytocin in your system, and this is what Big Hacks brings you. So go there and hug somebody. We are researching already to have more shows in the future. If you want to listen to this in Spanish, you have it in Fun on the Ride. If not, wait for next show. Here, crypto news, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, crypto a tope, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!